I have decided I'm tired of someone looking over my shoulder, spying on me when I'm sending messages, and all the big data companies making billions while I get nothing.
So what are you going to do about it?
Well, I'm switching to a new messaging app called Punk Panda. Maybe you should too.
Oh, but my messaging app's encrypted.
Yes, Punk Panda is too. But did you know those app companies are constantly looking over your shoulder and spying on you?
But my messaging app's encrypted.
Okay. Do you know that those companies harvest your data and then sell it for billions of dollars a year?
But my messaging app's encrypted.
Yes, that's true. The messages are encrypted while in transit, but did you know that the company backs up and stores all of your information on their servers at 2 a.m. each day in a non-encrypted format? Haven't you ever wondered why every year you see dozens of articles about these companies getting hacked and their users' data being stolen?
Well, yes, but my messaging app's encrypted.
Okay, so how do you feel about the company having access to all your messages, which can become public if they get subpoenaed?
I'm not sure what you mean.
There's been multiple court cases in the USA where all of people's conversations, pictures and video get put up on the big screen. In court cases they were dragged into, and then all those conversations get put online for the public to see.
Well, that sounds disturbing, but my messaging app's encrypted.
Okay, so how do you feel when you've used and shared a messaging app for years and years with all of your friends, and then the company gets sold for billions of dollars and you get nothing?
I've never really thought about it.
You do realize Punk Panda pays you crypto just for using and sharing their app, right?
No, how can they do that if the app's free?
They have premium subscription options like Spotify and Zoom offer. Plus, they have a number of other products like sports fantasy and NFT games that offer utility cases for their token.
Oh, I don't understand all that. I'm just happy to have my messages encrypted.
I think your brain's encrypted. Messages go in one ear and out the other.
Well, where can I get this Punk Panda app from?
It's in both Google Play and iOS app stores. Here's my personal invite code.
Okay, but what if I can't afford it?
It's free. Just use it, share it, and own it.
Papanda, papanda, papanda.